The Samsung 43-inch Crystal 4K Neo TV UA43 AUE 65 AKXXL is a popular smart LED TV model in India. Here is a breakdown of its key features, specifications and general information. Key features: Crystal processor 4K. This processor is designed to deliver vibrant colors and optimize picture quality, including powerful 4K upscaling for lower resolution content. 4K UHD resolution offers 4 times the pixel of Full HD, providing sharp and crisp images with enhanced detail. HDR high dynamic range increases the range of light levels on the TV, allowing for a wider spectrum of colors and improved visual details in both dark and bright scenes. It supports HDR10 and HLG with surprisingly good performance for Dolby Vision content despite not officially supporting it. Full color: this technology helps the TV express a vast range of colors for an immersive viewing experience. Motion accelerator automatically estimate and compensate frame for a smooth picture and performance. 3 bezel-less design: a sleek minimalist design that maximizes screen space. Clean cable solution helps to keep cables steady and concealed for a seamless look. Tizen OS Samsung Smart TV operating system, providing access to various streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Spotify, G5, Sony Live and more. It also supports Samsung TV Plus for free content. Voice assistant built-in supports for Bixby and Amazon Alexa, and sometimes Google Assistant depending on the specific model or region. Connectivity features: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BT 4.2, 3 HDMI ports, 1 or 2 USB ports, Ethernet and digital audio out optical. Audio: 20-watt sound output from 2 CH speakers with Dolby Digital Plus support and Q Symphony when paired with compatible Samsung Q series soundbars. Gaming features includes auto low latency mode ALLM for a better gaming experience. Specifications: UA43 AUE 65 AKXXL. Screen size 43 inches or 108 cm. Display type LED. Resolution 3840 x 2160. 4K Ultra HD. Refresh rate 50 Hz. Picture engine: Crystal processor 4K. HDR support: HDR10 plus, HLG, contrast, mega contrast. Color: pure color, 1 billion color. PQI picture quality index 2000. Sound output: RMS 20 watt. Speaker type 2CH. Operating system: Tizen. RAM 1.5 GB. Storage 8 GB or 16 GB. Connectivity: HDMI ports 3, USB ports 1, digital audio out, optical 1, RF in, terrestrial or cable input 1, Bluetooth yes, BT 4.2, Wi-Fi yes supported, Ethernet yes supported. Smart features: mobile to TV mirroring, DLNA, easy setup, app casting, Bluetooth low energy, Wi-Fi direct, TV sound to mobile, sound mirroring, wireless DeX, Microsoft 365 cloud service, universal guide, PC mode, tab view, web browser. Power consumption: max 105 watt. Dimensions: without stand 963.1 into 562.4 into 77.5 mm. Weight without stand 7 kg. Price in India: the price of the Samsung 43-inch Crystal 4K Neo TV UA43 AUE 65 AKXXL can vary significantly depending on the retailer and ongoing offers. Based on recent researches, it typically falls in the range of Rs 28,990 to Rs 47,900. Some sources indicate prices around Rs 31,990 to Rs 33,990, while others show it higher. It's always best to check current prices from reputed online and offline retailers like Samsung official website, Flipkart, Amazon, Reliance Digital and Chroma. Reviews: user reviews generally highlight the following: excellent picture quality. Customer praise the vibrant color, crisp detail and deep blacks, especially when watching 4K content, noting the effectiveness of pure color and HDR. Good value for money. Many consider it a strong contender in its price segment, offering good performance for the cost. Smart TV features: while generally positive, some users have reported occasional software lag or slow UI responsiveness. The Tizen OS is considered easy to use. Audio quality: the 20-watt speakers are generally described as average, though Dolby Digital Plus and Q Symphony offer some enhancements. Overall, the Samsung 43-inch Crystal 4K Neo TV UA43 AUE 65 AKXXL is a well-regarded smart TV that offers a good 4K viewing experience with smart features at a competitive price point in the Indian market.